Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set a background for a photo in Adobe Photoshop mobile app. But before I get into that, I want to say one thing. Please subscribe, comment and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay, now let's jump into that. Here we are at the main page of the Adobe Photoshop. Here you can do all sort of things, but we're just gonna focus on one thing today. We're gonna click on the blue icon called photo editor at the top. Here we're gonna choose a picture. Let's say this one. Here you can see these buttons at the bottom. They're all different buttons. They all do different things. I'm just gonna choose background. And here you can see it's selected a highlighted part and it has a background now, and you can see you can choose the colors of the background. You can pick a color, let's say this one, and it chooses. So yeah guys, that's how you get the background for a picture. Thanks for listening guys, see you in the next one.